problem, and we will solve it by mathematical induction. Okay, this is question number 1. If A is equal to cos theta sin theta and minus sin theta cos theta, then prove that A raised to the power n will be cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta minus this is n theta sin n theta and cos n theta. Okay, n theta. Now we shall prove the result by principle of mathematical induction. Do you remember that? Principle of mathematical induction is that P1 is true. When P1 is true, then let us suppose that K is true, n is equal to k. Then we have to prove that n is equal to k plus 1, that is it is true for k plus 1. So the same principle we will be doing it. Now let Pn is equal to a raised to the power n. Then cos n theta and sin n theta and minus sin n theta cos n theta, a raised to the power n is this. Then P of 1, what will happen? N is equal to 1, we will substitute n is equal to 1. So this is cos theta sin theta, n is equal to 1, and minus sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta, which is true for n is equal to 1. Yes, this is given n is equal to 1, which is true for n is equal to 1. Let the result is true for n is equal to k. Then pk is equal pk such that a raised to the power k will be cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta and cos k theta. We have assumed that it is true for n is equal to k. Then we have to prove that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So now a raised to the power k plus 1, we will write that k plus 1 is a raised to the power k into a is equal to cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta cos k theta into a. A is what? Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So this is true for multiplication. It is eligible for multiplication because this is 2 by 2 and this is also 2 by 2. Okay. So I multiply a raised to the power k plus 1 cos k theta cos theta, multiply cos k theta and cos k theta cos theta, cos k theta and cos theta. Okay, and this sin k theta and minus sin theta. So I have written this, and then second line I am taking minus sin k theta into cos theta minus then cos k theta into minus sin theta, and this is minus sin k theta and sin theta and plus cos k theta plus cos theta. I have multiplied with the rule of matrices, that is 2 by 2 is always eligible by multiplying 2 by 2. Now what is whose formula is this? This is cos k plus 1, this is cos k plus 1 theta, and this formula is that cos k plus 1 is, that is 1 minute, that is cos nahi, this is sin. Cos A sin B is plus sin A cos B. Whose formula? Sin A plus. That is sin k plus 1 theta. Okay. Then next line here, I have taken minus sign common. Then what do I get? what do I get? I get sine k theta cos k theta plus cos k theta sine theta. Whose formula is this? Sine a plus b. Because I have taken minus sign out, then sine k plus 1 theta. Similarly, this is the cos k theta plus cos theta minus sine k theta sine theta. It is cos k plus 1 theta. Cos a plus 1 theta. Then the result is true because I have it is true for k plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1. Thus, by principle of mathematical induction, we have a raised to the power n is equal to cos raised to the power n, sin raised to the power n, minus sin raised to the power n, cos raised to the power, not raised to the power, it is cos n theta, sin n theta, minus sin n theta, cos n theta. It is by principle of mathematical induction, this is true, induction. Thus, it holds for all natural number. Thus, it's hold for all natural number. So, that means principle of mathematical induction, I think we all know, if P1 is true, then Pn is also true for all natural numbers. Okay. Question number 2. I have given you find the value of x when the three matrices are given in this form, that is equal to 0. This 0 means it is a 0 matrix. Okay. Now we will this is first two we will multiply first. That is 1 row into 3 columns and this is 3 into 3. That is this is used here. This is column and this is column. That is equal to implies. This is I multiply. That is first row, first column. That is first row, first column is that is 1 plus 4 plus of 1. Then first row, second column. First row, second column, that is 2 plus 0 plus of 0. Then third row, this one with this one column, that is equal to 0 plus 2 and plus 2. That is one row and 3 columns I have got. That is into, this is 0 to x. That is 0. Implies it is 6. This is 6. And this is 2. And this is 4. This is 0 to x is equal to 0. 0. That is one row. This is one row and 3 columns and 3 rows into 1 column. Okay. So ultimately it will be 600. 2 2s are 4. That is first row, first column, 6 0 are 0 plus 4 plus of 4x is equal to 0. This is 1 into 1. This is 1 into 1. So my 0 will be also 1 into 1. 1 into 1 row, 1 column. Yes. So it will be implies 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. So, continuously we are multiplying. We cannot change the order, because if I think first and third will multiply together, then the second one, no. We have to continue how it is given. It is given 1 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. So it is 1 into 3, then 3 into 1.